Attention affiliate marketers, stop promoting your affiliate links all over the internet directly. That does not work. That is what all the other marketers are doing, and it doesn't work. If you'd like to start creating a real legit business and creating real commissions online, let me show you the holy grail of affiliate marketing, the stealth affiliate system that nobody else is talking about. For example, right here, Vic, he's a fellow affiliate marketer. He's using this exact same system I'm talking about, who went on to create $500,000 in 5 days. Think about it. How was it done? How did he do it? Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. And if you would like to start building your own legit business, creating real commissions online, let me show you step by step in some training that will show you this secret affiliate system that nobody else is talking about, that will revolutionize the way you do online marketing in 7 days or less. Go ahead and click that link below this video somewhere and go ahead and grab the training.